Welcome students. Today we will solve few more questions related to the exponents. Here is the 20th question. If 9 raised to power n multiply 3 raised to 5 power 5 and 27 raised to power 3 over 3 multiply 81 raised to power 4 is equal to 27. In that case we need to find out the value of n. So in this, first of all, what we will do, we will change all these bases to 3. So let's see how to change. We can write 9 3 raised to power 2 its whole power n multiply 3 raised to power 5. It is already having base 5, we will not change. So here 3 raised to power 3, we can write to 27 3 raised to power 3 its whole power. Now 3 is already as a base 3. Here you can write 3 raised to power 4 its whole power 4, and this side you can write 3 raised to power 3. Now power to the power we will multiply 3 raised to power 2 power n, we can write 3 raised to power 2n. This 2 will multiply, then 3 raised to power 5 multiply 3 multiply 3, it will give you 3 raised to power 9 over 3 raised to power 1 multiply 3 raised to power 16 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Now in the numerator you can see bases are same, this and this. Powers will add, so it will give you 3 raised to power 2n plus 14 over 3 raised to, bases are same, powers will add, it will become 17 3 raised to power 3. Now in divide, bases are same, powers will subtract. So here we can write 3 raised to power 2n plus 14 minus 17 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So it will become 3 raised to power 2n minus 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Now in bases you can see bases are same, both sides bases are same, both sides bases are same. So on comparing power, comparing 2n minus 3 is equal to 3, these powers will compare. So 2n is equal to 3 plus 3, it will go to this side, it will become plus 6. Here you can write n is equal to 6 upon 3, which will equal to 2. So here is the value of n is equal to 2. Now we'll do the another question. Now we will have this another question number 11. X raised to power a, x raised to power over x raised to power b whole power a plus b, x raised to power b over x raised to power c whole power b plus c, x raised to power c over x raised to power a whole power c plus a. We need to prove it is equal to 1. So what we will do, here you can do, see, power to the power will multiply. So how to do it? See, first of all, LHS, we solve from LHS, x over a, x over b, write as it is, multiply x over b, x whole power b plus c, multiply x over a, c whole power c plus a. Now power to the power will multiply. What I will do, see, x a into a plus b, x power b into a plus b, x b into b plus c, x raised to power c into b plus c, x raised to power c into c plus a, x raised to power a into c plus a. Now we'll multiply inside. So here we can write now x raised to power a square plus ab, x raised to power b a plus b square, x raised to power b square plus bc, x raised to power cb plus c square multiply x raised to power c square plus ca over x raised to power ac plus a square. Now in numerator bases are same, powers you can add, so we will get here x raised to power a square plus ab plus b square plus bc, c square plus ca over x raised to power ab plus b square plus cb plus c square plus ca plus a square. We can write ca, ac, both the things are same. Now they are in divide. In divide, if bases are same, powers will subtract. So x raised to power a square plus ab plus b square plus bc plus c square plus ca minus, it will minus now, ab minus b square minus ca minus c square minus ca minus a square. Now a square cancel, a square, ab cancel, ab, b square cancel, b square, bc cancels. So abc, I think bc is here. bc cancels this bc, ca cancels this ca, c square cancels this c square, so it will remains x raised to power 0 whose value comes 1. So this is our 11th question. So dear students, another question, x raised to power a plus b into x raised to power b plus c into x raised to power c plus a, in denominator x raised to power a multiply x raised to power b multiply x raised to power c whole power 2, and we need to prove that this is equal to 1. So again from this side, as we have done in the previous question, take from LHS x raised to power a plus b multiply x raised to power b plus c multiply x raised to power c plus a over x raised to power a multiply x raised to power b multiply x raised to power c whole power 2. We will solve this. Here you can see bases are same, powers will add x raised to power a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a over power to the power will multiply. So x raised to power 2 multiply a, 2a, x raised to power b multiply 2, power to the power will multiply x raised to power 2b multiply x raised to power 2c. So here upside you will get x raised to power 2a plus 2b plus 2c, a plus a, b plus b, c plus c, and downside bases are same, powers will add x raised to power 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Now in divide you can see bases are same, we will subtract the powers, x raised to power 2a plus 2b plus 2c, this minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c, this will cancel, it will give you x raised to power 0 whose value comes 1. So this is our 12th question. So this is our another question, which kind of questions may come in exam, like this: if 3 raised to power 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 27 raised to power x minus 3, here we need to find out the value of x. So here you can see base is 3, here is 10, 27. So we'll convert this base 27 into 3. So let's see how to do it. 3 raised to power 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 3 raised to power 3, means 27 we can write 3 raised to power 3 x minus 3. 3 raised to power 2x minus 1 is equal to power to the power will multiply 1 over 3, 3 multiply x, 3x, 3 multiply 3, 9. Now you can multiply it here, 3 raised to power 2x minus 1 into 3 raised to power 3x minus 9, which is equal to 0 now. So here bases are same, powers we will add, 3 raised to power 2x minus 1 plus 3x minus 9 is equal to this one, we can write 3 raised to power 0. So here we will get 3 raised to power 2x plus 3x, 5x minus 10 is equal to 3 raised to power 0. Now both sides power bases are same. So what we will do, we will compare powers. This power we can compare. 5x minus 10 is equal to 0, 5x equal to 10, x equal to 10 over 5, which will gives you the value of x is equal to 2. These are the questions which were related to the exponents. In next video we will see questions of another chapter. Thank you.